had it, son, and now I'm gone.
Nothing to you about the booth itself. It was made 25 years.
Congratulations, the line's almost over. Only 45 more minutes. Just kidding. I have no idea how much longer it is. So here to entertain you are Itchy and Scratchy.
Hey, those are just two drunks you fished out of the gutter.
That's a lie.
You're fired. And leave the suit.
All right, get this thing off.
Go, kick the suit. One word of warning that may mar your otherwise enjoyable day at my park. There's a psychopathic killer on the loose. His name is Sideshow Bob, and he used to work for me. For some reason, he hates me. Then Bob tried to frame me for robbery, and he was foiled by the Simpsons. And now he's vowed to kill them all, even the baby. 6 months ago, Bob escaped from the Springfield Penitentiary. He is rumored to be in the vicinity of this park, but rest assured, my Cracker Jack security team has everything under control.
I'm sorry, does anyone know which end the bullet goes in?
No. You know,
Now, which lucky family will be the first to go on my thrilling new ride? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Make it quick, I gotta go to the little clown's room, so the family that will see my show is the one who hollers, go! Fine, you're in. Come with me. Oh, and you can pick one other group to come with you.
how about these guys?
Sure, whatever. They look clean. You guys come with me. You stay here and wait for someone to tell you to do something.
Don't say. Well, back in my day, people never had to gamble money Well, Maggie, looks like I'll be taken care of. That's it, Maggie. Stay with Grandpa. Wow, we're the first people to ever ride this baby. We're like that space guy that did that moon thing.
Neil Armstrong?
No, Chewbacca.
Now enjoy the Ferris wheel. Or whatever this is. What do you want?
A dish best served cold. Is it ice cream? No, revenge. We're on vacation. Can't you kill me on a work day? Simpsons? Yes, in that ride.
Forget it, Bob. We'll never... Dad!
I waited in line an hour for this thing, and I'm riding it. Now hop in.
Now the last thing you'll ever see. A little revitalization.
Here are some brief guidelines to ensure a safe and pleasant experience. When the doors open, move immediately into the vehicle boarding station. Walk, don't run. Proceed to the left.
Never finished high school.
Save me, tourist!
Welcome to a magical journey through my mouth.
The kiddie ride.
At least we're safe.
Panda begs to differ. Will you shut up? Say we.
Alone at last.
Bob's trying to kill the kid.
fair, a piece of advice. Resist every temptation I place in front of you.
Homer, it's a temptation.
Did beer hurt anybody? I hate chain reaction.
You foiled my plans for the last time.
You soiled your pants for the last time? We'll save you! Onward, continue well!
Maybe that exit sign leads to an exit. Stay away from the ramp! I mean ramps!
Now for the unkindest cut of all.
The radiation into Maggie!
They go up so fast.
Tough hard twists.
Do not fear, a bird is
I'll give you back your pacifier if you destroy Springfield.
The baby is wet and presumed pregnant.
I'm not gonna change that diaper.
Mommy's coming, giant Maggie.
Come on, Maggie! Destroy something!
Get away from my baby.
Maggie, that's not a pacifier!
Get those tourists out of your mouth. You don't know where they've been.
Home sweet. Go! Foolish earthlings, don't you know all rides must end near the gift shop? My bosoms are flapping my veins.
Like that big gravity! I'm a baby bird!
This must be the part where they take your picture. Okay? Smile.
It's got 5 seconds to kill somebody. Hello, folks.
What a horrible nightmare. Thank God this ride is over. Let's go again. We want to go again.